Tonight, we're hearing from immigration attorneys. They say ICE is detaining people who are trying to maneuver through the legal process of becoming a U.S. citizen.
Yeah, they say people are being taken away from their families and treated like criminals, even though many of them don't have criminal convictions or arrests.
But there are things they can do to protect themselves. ABC 10's Roxana Elias has the details.
I have been practicing for about 10 years now, and I've never seen something like this.
Immigration attorneys say it's alarming to see U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement detain people who are otherwise trying to follow the law. And on the court side of things, they're seeing a lot of issues with the denial of due process.
The law says that they're afforded the protections of our Constitution, and when they are stripped of constitutional rights of due process, it should be alarming to everybody, regardless of what your political leanings are.
Thomas Baker is an immigration attorney with Capital Gateway Immigration. He says the most recent egregious thing they're seeing is the government making motions to dismiss people's deportation cases.
And then when that happens, the person leaves the courtroom, and then Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, is there, and they take them into custody, and then they do what's called an expedited removal, which is basically deporting them without a hearing.
Both Baker and Julian Sanchez Mora with Immigrant Crime and Justice say they have had clients taken into custody, although they were doing the right thing. Sanchez Mora says despite the belief that all immigrants entered the U.S. illegally, the truth is most entered legally under a work visa or seeking asylum. Attorneys say one of the biggest issues is people not having representation.
Show up with an attorney. If you are represented, then your attorney can oppose any motion from the government to try to dismiss your case.
An attorney can also motion for their client to show up to their hearings virtually, which is a new strategy being used. And although the most recent detentions are deterring people from showing up to court, attorneys strongly advise against it.
Let someone know that you will be appearing for your court hearing. Have a plan. Have someone that knows where you are. Have someone or make arrangements for childcare if you have children.
In Sacramento, Roxana Elias, ABC 10.
And Baker also says if someone comes face to face with ICE agents, it's not smart to run away because they could then face criminal charges. He says it's better to be respectful to agents because they hold the power to release someone without bond.